Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the Excel trick navigate workbook. How to navigate the workbook and the worksheet. Navigate between the workbooks and worksheet efficiently. So let's see how these work in the Excel. So let's suppose this is my Excel. This trick is how to navigate from one sheet to another sheet. First we have the control page down, control page up, and the control page down option we have for the jumping one sheet to another sheet. Whenever you are pressing the control page down, now see here your worksheet will be moving from let's suppose right now in the charts, then I'm looking for the charts to chart 3. So you can jump easily with the help of the control page down. Now see here I'm pressing the control page down. Now the sheet are jumping. If I want to come back, so control page up for the left, and for the right we have the control page down. Okay. And one more key we have in the Excel, that says a right click. Whenever you are pressing the right click on these arrow button, now see here we have one arrow key here. Whenever you are pressing the right click here, now see here all the sheet names will be appearing in one box. That means that box showing all the sheet names. Let's suppose I want to move on the chart 8 sheet. Okay, so I'm pressing chart 8, then okay. Now see here automatically moving me, relocating me, navigating me on that particular sheet. Okay. Now let's suppose I'm pressing it here. Now I want to go back because right now they're showing right now I'm in the chart 8 sheet name. Now I'm looking for the chart 2 sheet, then I'm selecting, then okay. Now see here they automatically navigate me on chart 2 sheet. Okay, so this is a key how to move if you have the multiple worksheet. Okay, and you're looking you want to go particular sheet, then you can just right click and then you can select that particular sheet, then you can relocate that, you can go with that particular sheet. Also we have the shortcut, the control page up and the control page down for jumping one sheet to another sheet. And one more thing, if you have the multiple workbook, let's suppose this is my workbook, book name or book 1, and one book is here navigate workbook. Okay, so we have the option in the view, that is a switch window. Switch window will be show you all the open workbook on your system. Let's suppose right now I'm in the navigate to workbook, and one more book is here in my system is right now open, that is book 1. So if I want jump to the another sheet, I will selecting this switch window. Okay, now I'm in the book 1. Now I want to back on the navigate workbook, so I'm selecting this navigate workbook. Also you can add the shortcut in the quick access toolbar, so you can easily access this switch window one work to another workbook. Okay, so this is the keys how to navigate your workbook and the worksheet with the help of the control page up, control page down, and also we have the windows option for navigating the workbook. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.